Here's a quick overview of strategies used in Reveal Math Grade 2, Unit 6. This video talks about Lesson 5, using a number line to subtract. Quick disclaimer, I do not work for Reveal Math and I don't work for any one school district. I'm a math content coach, education consultant, and tutor, and I have a daughter in 2nd grade using Reveal Math. These videos are for parents and caregivers to help you help your children, so we'll focus on the strategies being taught and never solve the actual problems given in the homework, because those are for your kids to do. Here are 2 questions shown on the homework, asking you which equation matches the subtraction shown on the number line. So let's make this small. I'm going to put it over here. I made up a separate problem that is similar to these. Okay, so we have a number line from 0 to 20, and you can see that our bar model here goes up to 19. So this whole is 19, which means that's the number we're starting with. And then our 19 is conveniently broken up into 2 parts. Remember this language of whole and parts, because that's going to come in I think 3 lessons. Pen not working there. Okay. So the number line shows us actually that one of our parts is 11, so we don't even have to figure that one out. We can just put that in there as the subtrahend. And then once we take away 11, we're trying to figure out what this other part is. Because it's lined up on the number line, we can see that that is actually 8. And there we go. That's all we have to do. We might also see problems where the numbers are switched. Sorry, it takes a second to get my pen going here. Okay, so where we're given this number, so we still have the 19, and now we don't know what the subtrahend is, that's the missing piece, and we're given the difference. So it's just the same idea. We need to find out what the other part is. If we have 2 parts and a whole, we're just figuring out the 2 parts that make up that whole. This is the other model. So again, we have this whole, and we can tell where it ends because we have that number line. So it ends on 19. So we're starting with that. That's our whole. And now we're taking away some unknown amount. And what we have to figure out is how much that unknown amount represents. So what is this jump? Your students can figure this out a number of different ways. If they want to, they can make the jumps by ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, I made 11 jumps, so that tells me that 11 goes here. They might also make bigger jumps. Let me get a different color here. They might start at this 19 and go back to 10. So that's a jump of 9. Oof, you've heard me complain about my pen before, but really it's terrible. Don't get knockoff Apple pens, only get real Apple pens. So once we've landed on 10, we've taken away 9. We need to take away 2 more to get back to where this original black arrow showed us. So again, that's a leap of 11. This number line they can use flexibly. The point is just to figure out what that part is. And once we've taken away that part that was 11, what we're left with. And here we know we landed on 8 because we can just count using the number line. So 8 is our difference. Thank you for watching. If you like this, please subscribe to my channel and leave a comment with any other content you'd like explained. And if you're interested in reading my thoughts on math education, check out my Substack at Make Math Make Sense, which is on the Substack app or platform.